is a big amp.
Yeah.
I haven't seen one of these in person. This is the first time.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop it.
So what's your name? What's in here, man? Go for it.
I'm Ottawa, Team Max Flex. Got 3 DD 9515s. Got an American Bass Godfather 15D. 4 VFL 350.4s for the doors. 190 amp hour C-Max.
That is a big amp.
Yeah.
I haven't seen one of these in person. This is the first time.
Yeah, it's a big boy.
Wow. 15,000?
Yeah.
And it's got 4 inputs.
Yeah.
What is it wired to?
Right now I got it wired at 1.3 before I just got everything hooked up yesterday, finished yesterday, so
Okay.
before I go through the lanes,
Yes,
I'm gonna
sir.
see what we got before I go through the lanes.
Did you install this?
Yeah. It ain't finished. We just had to get to the show, so we had to throw it together.
Yes, sir.
Get it here, so it's kind of sloppy right now, but
What's the electrical side?
this that 190 amp hour C-Max. I got an Autotech engineering 320 up front under the hood.
Okay. 2 more questions. Box specs. Do you have anything on it?
It's tuned right at 38 hertz, like 2 to 38 hertz.
Okay. And who built it?
Me and my teammate.
Nice. Triple sub system. What made you go with 3 over 4?
Because of the class. NSPL 0 to 48 had to stay within 48 inches.
Got it.
So,
Okay. And it probably does just as good.
yeah, I had 2 18s before, just trying 315s. I said I ain't really getting no testing done yet. Breaking them in right now, actually.
Okay. Wow. Looking forward to hearing it. Any SPL test burps?
Nothing, just to find the frequency. Last night I found the frequency. Now that I know the frequency, when I go in the lane, I'm gonna go through, ride at 1.3, see what it do.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna drop it down to 0.33 and see what I can do.
Oh, with the burp.
Yeah.
Got it.
So just in case it blow, I want to do a 1.3 burp first.
Yeah.
And,
See the difference.
yeah.
All right. Looking forward to hearing it.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Okay, better stand on that. All the heaters on the ground. I look like a damn. Hey, I got fun. I can teach for the trap straight. I can make that dope straight.
You have some power wiggle room in it. You're learning it. That is pretty and powerful though.
Just got it in, like I said, we ain't no I got to save it for the lane, so I
Yeah,
can't.
that's right. I appreciate the demo though. Thank you. I'm sorry for stopping by before the lanes then. Thank you for
Oh,
watching.
nah, you good. I'm still breaking them in. I ain't
sir.
even got my car running. See,
Really?
that's 15-1. Yeah, my car turned off.
Okay. Is there a way I can see the back?
Yeah.
And under the hood if that's okay. Wow. That's a tight fit. Perfectly.
Artwork by my wife right here.
You did a good job.
Amp, American Bass, American Bass audio. I guess I'm an DD sub. DD.
Thank you for showing me. Nice to meet you.
Appreciate it, Jake.
Yes, sir. You're welcome. That was awesome.
Under the hood, see my little
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This feel ideal.
What vehicle?
07 Chevy Tahoe.
Chevy Tahoe. Okay.
This running my car. This running my subs.
Okay. So one's like a higher voltage? What are they 15.2 and 14.6?
My teammate right here needed a switch out with me to run his alternator, so I gave him my stock alternator and I just threw this in. Just
It works?
It
Okay.
works, yeah.
All right, sweet. All right, nice. A lot of power in there. 85 is my goal. Thank you. I have to get a lot of content.
Yeah, Jacob, we're from Charlotte.
Okay. Savannah, Georgia.
Okay. On that. Hey, I got fire. Yeah, boss. Yeah. Trap straight. I'm away. Breaking in the eyes. Okay, what a okay, better stand on that. All the heaters out of town. I look like a damn. Hey, we.